The chocolate farm tour was such a cool experience because we didn't just learn about chocolate, we actually got to take part in the whole process. We started by harvesting the cacao pods from the tree, and then we opened them up to see the cacao beans inside. From there, the beans go through several steps before they become chocolate. First, they are fermented for a few days, which help develop the flavor. Then they are dried in the sun. After that, they are roasted, which gives them the rich chocolate taste. Then the shells are removed and the cacao is grounded into a paste, which eventually becomes chocolate. It was really interesting seeing the process from start to finish, especially because we are so used to just buying chocolate from the store without thinking about how it's made. Did you know that not everything we call chocolate is actually considered real chocolate? To legally be called chocolate in many places, it needs to contain a minimum percentage of cocoa. If it has less than about 20% cocoa, it's usually considered more of a chocolate flavored product rather than real chocolate.
Yeah.
Tastes like sweets.
Fermented beans. Okay, so we're going to roast the beans for about 10 minutes. It will help reduce the acidity, the astringency, and the bitterness. Yeah. Okay, so this is ready. And all we need to do is a constant stirring in order the beans won't be burned. Otherwise, it will affect the taste of the chocolate. And it goes like this. So here are the husk and the nibs. So the husk is the skin, and then the nibs or the chocolate. Yeah. And what we're going to do now is we have to carefully remove the husk out from the nibs. You have to do it carefully because even a little particle of the husk can affect the texture of the chocolate. Basically, the husks are lighter than the nibs and it goes away with the wind.
The experience didn't just stop with learning about the chocolate process. We also got to taste a few things made directly from the farm. First, we tried the chocolate tea, which was actually really interesting. It's made from the cocoa shells and has a light chocolate flavor. Then we had a hot chocolate, which was rich and delicious. And they also served us some fried bananas made from bananas grown dry there on the farm. It's super easy. Look.
But it's hard, no? You have to work hard for the chocolate.
We skipped the chocolate tempering steps because that takes too long and went straight to molding it. And it was delicious.